discoveries, and the topic we're going to learn today. Where do cotton clothes come from? For that, I'm going to demonstrate in science Montessori activity. This is a cotton plant. We obtain cotton from cotton plant. This cotton has dirt, leaves, twigs, and seeds. People take this to People take this cotton to factories. Those factories separate seeds and clean the cotton. That process is called ginning, and the cotton turns into cotton bales. Next comes spinning. These cotton go to factories or industries. In olden times, they used charka like this. They spin it. Now, in new days, they spin it in machines like this. And then, now take cotton in your hand and spin, 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 stretch and twist it. Then you'll see it gets a little tiny. Now, this process is called spinning. And then it gets weaved when two threads get interlaced, like I've done. When they go to factories or industries, and they interlace the threads together, like I've done, with the help of loom. Next comes a fabric. Feel this, friends. I know you can't feel, but then after that it turns into fabric after it goes to factories or industries, and then this goes to tailors, industries or factories, and then these turns to clothes. I hope you have understood my concept.